Hi, this is Mr. Sullivan, and today we're going to look at probability. This question has a lot of reading in it, but if you read it really carefully, this is actually one of the easiest probability questions on the Regents. 3 storage bins contain colored blocks. Bin 1 contains 15 red and 14 blue blocks. Bin 2 contains 16 white and 15 blue blocks. Bin 3 contains 15 red and 15 white blocks. All the blocks from the 3 bins are placed into one box. If one of the blocks is randomly selected from the box, which color block would most likely be picked? Justify your answer. So here you can just draw a simple little picture. We've got 3 bins. 1, 2, 3. In the first bin, you've got 15 red and 14 blue. In the second bin, you've got 16 white and 15 blue. In the third bin, you've got 15 red and you've got 15 white. So now you're combining these together all into one bin. You just look at each color. Let's look at the blue first. 14 blue in this bin, 15 blue in this bin. So 14 blue plus 15 blue equals 29 blue blocks in total. And I'll look at the red blocks. 15 red here and 15 red here. So you've got 15 red plus another 15 red gives us a total of 30 red blocks. 15 white, 16 white, so 15 white plus 16 white equals a total of 31 white blocks. So there are more white blocks in the bin than any other color. Therefore, you're most likely to pick a white block. So you could just say that. There are more white blocks in the bin. Well, actually, you can use the language from the problem, and it says they're placed in a box. So there are more white blocks in the box than any other color. Therefore, the probability of picking white is higher than any other color. Or you could just say that therefore you're more likely to pick a white block. And that would give you full credit on this question. Moving on to the next question. Again, this is a lot of words, but the problem is one of the easier problems involving probability. So if you read it really carefully, throughout history, many people have contributed to the development of mathematics. These mathematicians include Pythagoras, Euclid, Hypatia, Euler, Einstein, Agnesi, Fibonacci, and Pascal. What is the probability that the mathematician's name selected at random from those listed will start with either the letter E or the letter A? So we're looking for the probability that a mathematician's name selected at random from those listed will start with either E or A. So this is exactly the same idea. Imagine that these names were placed in a bin. just like the previous problem. You've got Pythagoras with P, Euclid with E, Hypatia with an H, Euler with an E, Einstein with an E, Agnesi with an A, Fibonacci with an F, and Pascal with a P. We've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mathematicians. So the total number goes in your denominator. Out of those mathematicians, 1, 2, 3, 4 start with either the letter E or A. So that means that you have a 4 out of 8 probability of selecting either an E or an A. Therefore, choice 3 is your answer. With probability questions, it's really important to read the question carefully, try to draw a picture, and just think through the problem and make sure that you put down the probabilities that you know. Good luck in probability. Take a look at the next video for some more difficult probability problems.